English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 52.
When it gets dark, he'll light the fire. As soon as it gets dark, he'll light the fire. When I finish my report, I'll call you. I'll put up shelves when the paint dries. When you get home, will you make dinner? As soon as it stops raining, I'll go out.
As soon as this TV show ends, I will go to bed. We will sing Happy Birthday as soon as she comes in. When I finish fixing the car, I will drive you to the station. As soon as she gets to the beach, she will go swimming. I will call him when I arrive at the hotel. As soon as I find my keys, I will lock the door.
When it has stopped raining, we'll go outside. We'll go outside when it has stopped raining.
How much longer is this work going to take?
We're nearly there. We really are doing our best.
What are the next jobs to be done?
When the electrician completes the wiring, we'll start plastering the walls.
Will you start the kitchen when you finish the wiring?
Not quite. When the plaster's dried, we'll install the stove and then build the kitchen from there.
And the new sink in the bathroom?
We'll put the sink in as soon as we've finished the kitchen.
And what about finishing off the rooms?
As soon as the plaster's completely finished drying, the painters will start the painting. I know it seems to be taking forever, but things must be done in the right order.
I'll call you when I get home. When I've saved enough money, I'll buy a car. When you've had a rest, you'll feel better. We'll meet up as soon as I finish work. I'll go out when the weather's better. When the paint dries, they'll put up pictures.
As soon as I finish this book, I'll lend it to you. They'll buy new furniture when they've finished redecorating. When we've built a fire, we'll cook some food. We'll go and sit outside when the sun comes out. She'll look for a job as soon as she finishes college. When we go to New York, we'll visit the Statue of Liberty. As soon as I get paid, I'll buy that expensive dress.
End of lesson 52.